File Commander is a very convenient way to access information when a computer is not part of the equation. To get to the File Commander, touch the File Viewer button right here. And when the File Commander is open, you have access to a menu right here on the side as well as a menu here. And you can access information from various sources if the panel's on the network or if you're using a thumb drive like this. If I plug my thumb drive in, it will show up as a source on the File Commander, as you see here, USB storage there or right here, and I can access files from there. But another great thing I can do is I can also add a cloud storage solution and access information from there. Again, a computer doesn't need to be involved in this case. And the final thing I want to show you is when you're using the embedded whiteboard or the screen annotation tools, you can access those screenshots in the Pictures folder, like so.